girl Rochelle back with another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to create the little girl Afro Puff unicorn candy apple. In this video, I will simply show you how to use these different color pieces of fondant to create her dress on a candy apple. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to remind you that your girl Ro will be coming back to give you life. And if you're ready to get started, let's go and get into the video. So the supplies I'm going to be using in this video is 4 pieces of different color fondant, pink, yellow, teal, and purple. My retractable pen blade, rolling pin, and my cutout of the unicorn little baby girl. And I also will be using a steamer to shine up that fondant. So the first piece I'm going to use is starting with the yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and powder up my surface. Taking my fondant, rolling it very well. You want to make sure that it's soft and manageable to use. Okay, I'm going to powder up my rolling pin and just begin to start in the center and roll back and forth, rotating the fondant so that you can get a nice even circle. You don't want to make it too thin or too thick. Just enough so that I can cut out a square. Taking my pen blade. And I'm going to cut out a square shape. So that I can make the ripple of the dress. I want it to all come out as even as possible. Okay. Taking your fondant, making sure the edges are not rigid, and what you want to do is just tap the side to make sure that fondant goes back in. But you want to do like accordion fold back and forth, okay, at the top, and then just play with the rest of the fondant as to fold down and then make those ripples that you see in dresses. A nice fold to get that ripple effect, okay? So being that it's a little bit too long, I'm gonna cut down a piece here. And then I'm going to apply this portion to the apple, pressing the top part down. And if it's a little bit too long, then just gather a portion of your fondant and just cut along the bottom. Make sure you spread it back out. And make sure you press at the top because you want that to be flat. Okay? And that's the yellow, and we're going to go ahead and do a pink. that we have her dress all finished, all dolled up. Okay, ruffled all the way around. Now we're going to add some steam to it by using the small handheld steamer. Okay, it don't take much to steam the dress, so make sure that you do not put the steamer directly on it. You just want the steam to come off on the fondant. As soon as you start to see it shine, and then you just go around the apple. It doesn't take much, and I'm going to show you in a few. And there you see, it didn't take much to shine up her dress. Okay, so now we're going to take the cutout, and what we're going to do, I'm going to cut a few pieces off that does not necessarily need to be sticking out, and then I'm going to cut the bottom portion of her little tutu. Okay, so cutting off that bottom portion gives you her top half, and then you have the bottom half of her dress. Now what you will want to do is apply some glue using your glue gun on the back, and you will glue it right to the stick. Well, here you go, sweet gang. Our little girl Afro Puff unicorn candy apples, all dolled up. If you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below, letting me know how you enjoyed this video. If you have any other ideas that you would like to see me do in the near future, also leave it in the comment section below. All supplies that I use in this video will be in the description below, up under this video. And once again, it's been real. I enjoyed. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to let you know that your girl Ro is on. And I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye-bye.